Congrats on becoming an adult, or I'm sorry that the best, most carefree years of your life are now behind you. However you feel about turning 18, it means that you now get to use TikTok without the restricted mode on. So if you do want to turn it off, here's how to do it. Now, starting off, you have to do it from the mobile app. You can't do this at all from the web app version of TikTok. Though it works pretty much the same on both iOS and Android. So I'll be using Android right here for this video. So first off, you're going to go to your profile, then click on those three lines in the top right like this, and then go onto settings and privacy. From there, scroll down until you see content preferences, click on that, and then click on restricted mode in this menu. And there it is, the magical turn off button. So then simply just click it, and you may get this little feedback thingy about why you're turning it off. So I'll just kind of go with anything here. Then you'll be prompted with this screen right here asking you for a PIN. So this is something that you or a parent may have set up. So of course you need that to unlock. I've set up the very secure PIN of 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we go, hit next. And just like that, it will be unlocked, and you get to see everything on TikTok for better or worse. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.